Thank you, Past President Tushar. Hello, good evening. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Dr. Usha Jayachandran. I am the MOC for this installation evening of the Rotary Club of Bombay West. A warm welcome to everyone of you who has taken the time to come onto the Zoom online installation at the Bombay West Club for the installation of Dr. Rotarian Manoj Patel and his board of directors for the Rotary year 2021. To start off the new Vision Presidential Year, let us all invoke the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the Vigneshwara.
गणनायक प्रथमेश लंबोदर श्री गणेश विघ्न विनाशक सिद्धि विनायक गौरी सुत करुणेश गणनायक प्रथमेश लंबोदर श्री गणेश गौरी नंदन चिंतामणि है प्रथम देव मेरे स्वामी हम भक्तों को आशीष दो प्रभु देवा अंतर्यामी कार्य मेरे संपूर्ण करो प्रभु कार्य मेरे संपूर्ण करो प्रभु विघ्न हरन विघ्नेश विघ्न हरन विघ्नेश गणनायक प्रथमेश लंबोदर श्री गणेश विघ्न विनाशक सिद्धि विनायक गौरी सुत करुणेश गणनायक प्रथमेश लंबोदर श्री गणेश ओम गण गणपते नमः सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः ओम गण गणपते नमः सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः ओम गण गणपते नमः सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः ओम।
So, with the Lord's blessings and without much ado, I request outgoing President Samapti Patel to welcome the gathering and also share with us the highlights of her journey through the smart year. Over to you, Samapti.
Thank you, Usha. Good evening. Today's chief guest, Visionary DG, Rotarian Sunil Mehra, First Lady Silpi, AG Rotarian KK Chowdhury, dignitaries around the globe, PDGs, AGs, assistant trainer, stalwarts of our prestigious club, Rotarian, co-presidents, invited guests, Rotarian, past International Innerville President, Dr. Pallavi Shah, partner in service, Rotrek, Intrek, Innerville members, President Kavita Agarwal, family members of incoming President, Rotarian Dr. Manoj Patel, and First Lady Dr. Bhavna. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Bombay West, a warm welcome to all at the 67th installation of Visionary President, Rotarian Dr. Manoj Patel and Team 2021. Friends, this pandemic has presented unplanned and complex challenges for all of us. For the first time in the history of Rotary International, we successfully celebrated a virtual charter night and induction of a new member, much to everybody's delight. The Rotary spirit is flying high and rightfully so. We still have a lot of good works to do. I look back at this smart year with great satisfaction, that of fulfilling the responsibilities of taking our club to greater heights, where the sky is the limit. This included achieving a platinum RI citation while maintaining the high ethical standards of our prestigious club, and starting some new innovative projects like inaugurating Rotary Eye Donation Center and collected 43 corneas before pandemic. Under the Women Empowerment Project, provided much needed support towards the girl child of single mother with regards to groceries, clothes, etc., and providing financial help towards education, even including hearing impaired girls. Stop use of plastic bottles in the Rotary Center and tree plantation at Karjat. Project Balbog. For birthday and anniversaries, instead of gift to members, feeding underprivileged children at various institutions and orphanages. Project installation and commissioning of solar off-grid PV system, separate toilets and wash stations at Rotary English School in Kunde village, Wada. Also provided them with groceries to 120 families. Starting Rotary Club at NMIMS, increasing club membership. During the pandemic, distributed groceries, PPE, sanitizers, masks, hand wash, infrared guns, bed sheets, and homeopathy medicines in our neighboring area, including Suti school parents, hospitals, and disabled senior members of the transgender community. Also helped cyclone affected Kolhapur district and also Kolkata by joining hand with Rotary Club of Aviana and Contemporary Kolkatan, District 3291. Besides ongoing projects, all this has been achieved and possible because of the strong teamwork, dedication, planning, and enthusiasm of the club members and donors. A heartfelt thank to all. Our smart popular DG, all ages, district secretaries, past presidents, smart co-president, smart team, Rotarians, Rotarians, honorary Rotarian, Protractor, Interactor, Innerville members, media partners, bulletin team, program and fellowship team. A special thanks to our pandemic time warriors. Once again, many thanks for putting your trust in me to lead for 2019-2020. Let's now know a little bit of our incoming president, Rotarian Dr. Manoj Patel. Dr. Manoj Patel is a consulting physician practicing since 1980 and associated with various hospitals such as Nanavati, Hinduja Healthcare, and Bharatiya Arogya Nidhi Hospital. Following in his father's footsteps, I'm proud to say that Dr. Manoj Patel showed a great interest in his social activities much prior to his professional career. In 1966, as a founder director of the Interact Club of Sarla Sarjan School, then as a founder director of the Leo Club of Juhu, where he later served as a president too. In 1986, Rotarian Dr. Manoj was invited by Rotarian Dr. Tushar Shah to become a member of Rotary Club of Bombay West. Until date, he is actively associated with many other social and medical organizations like Chairman of Vile Parle Medical Club, President of Indian Medical Association of Mumbai West, Santa Cruz Medical Association and Vile Parle Medical Club, member of Central Working Committee, a national body of Indian Medical Association, zonal director of Association of Medical Consultants, governing council member of Homeopathic Education Society. He is supported by First Lady Dr. Bhavna, a consulting pathologist. They are blessed with a son, Apurva, who is computer engineer, working in the USA, and daughter-in-law Meghna, working as a naturopathic consultant, and he has two grandsons, Arav and Kian. Above all, let me tell you that Dr. Manoj Patel has an admirable and rich sense of humor, which is certainly a blessing for him in the medical career and for us too. I'm certain that Rotarian Manoj Patel, Dr. Manoj Patel, will shine and will help take the club to even greater heights. I wish him and his team 2021 all the very best for continuing these projects and starting new ones. It's a challenging journey ahead. Like all the past presidents who supported me, I look forward to supporting him as well. Friends, it can't get better than this. Today, on World's Doctors' Day, I'm happy to pass on the baton of the Rotary Club of Bombay West to our very own doctor, Rotarian Dr. Manoj Patel. I'm sure that he is a fast runner and will break my 100-meter sprint record. Thank you. Change of the guard. Manoj bhai, I'm giving. I request Bhavna to just help him in wearing collar. Bhavna, please take the collar from me.
Yes. Yes.
A charter. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dr. Manoj. And
Most important,
Thank you.
bell and gavel. Thank you. Pin. I am pinning Dr. Manoj Patel as the president. Congratulations, Dr. Manoj Patel. Welcome.
Thank you.
Bhavna is giving me pin. Manoj Patel is giving me pin.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Accept as a IPP of this prestigious club. Over to Usha.
Congratulations, Dr. Manoj, and well done, Samapti.
Thank you. Thank you.
On
Thank
behalf
you.
of the entire district, we welcome you to the visionary team of presidents. And I would request that the presidential certificate be displayed, please. Presidential certificate. Hemang Jangla, please go forward. You will need to unmute Hemang Jangla.
Just a minute.
Hemang is not there.
Okay, so the title of Visionary President conferred upon Rotarian Dr. Manoj Patel, Rotary Club of Bombay West, during his installation ceremony conducted on the 1st of July 2020 at Zoom virtual meeting. We wish him all the success for a visionary, impactful and powerful year 2020-21, presented by the core team and myself, and of course, Rotary International President Olga Kanak. You are now ready for your journey beyond the ordinary. Welcome, Dr. Manoj Patel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
3 cheers and congratulations, Dr. Manoj Patel, on
Thank
becoming
you.
the 67th president of Bombay West.
Thank
This
you.
has been a one-of-a-kind installation with symbolic pinning in each space, a moment we all will cherish forever in our memories. Now I request President Manoj Patel to please come and share his acceptance speech with us. So over to you.
This is a unique installation. I chief guest that DG Sunil Mehra, First Lady of the District Shilpi, Rotary International Director and Treasurer PDG.
Dr. Manoj, I request you keep the mic next to your mouth. The audio will be better.
Elect Rotarian Rajendra Agarwal, District Governor nominee, Rotarian Sandeep Agarwala, past international Innerville Dr. Pallavi Shah, District Secretary Hemang Jangla, Assistant Governor Rotarian KK Chowdhury, district dignitaries, PDGs of other districts, my co-presidents of Visionary Group and my He-Man Group, honorary Rotarians, Innerville President Kavita and all Innerville members, presidents of Rotary clubs and Interact clubs, and all my young members, principal of KG and Shruti schools, all my Rotarian friends, my family members, and all invited guests. Good morning, friends. In the spirit of service, I, Dr. Manoj Patel, take immense pleasure to welcome each one of you for this installation. I also extend a hearty welcome to all our honorary Rotarians. My journey with Rotary began in 1986 when my dear friend Dr. Tushar Shah pulled me into the rotating wheel of Rotary and introduced me to this exciting world of Rotary. But let me tell you, I stood on the same platform of Rotary Club of Bombay West way back in 1966 when I was inducted as a founder director of Interact Club of Sharla Session School, which was promoted by Rotary Club of Bombay West. I have made so many lifelong friends through my associations and fellowship. Now with becoming the president, my horizons have expanded across districts, making new friends every day, which I'm going to enjoy thoroughly. I'm truly feel humbled and honored to accept the post of president of the prestigious club, Rotary Club of Bombay West, in the vision year 2020-21, led by our visionary DG Sunil Mehra. It's indeed my proud privilege, and I express my gratitude to all of you for bestowing this honor to me. All the lights of the world cannot be compared to a ray of inner light of the self. Let us merge ourselves in this lights of vision and take the team visionary beyond ordinary, embracing enthusiastically this year's theme. Beholding service is my joy. किसी का दर्द ले सके तो दे उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. To do so, I would request to have good fellowship and friendship so that we can come together, enjoy Rotary, and then work for the society. I'm associated with various organizations very actively, where apart from our medical activities, we do a lot of social and community service projects. Let's all make a tradition that while working and to fulfill the targets, we enjoy bonding during the year and accept nothing but excellence in achieve satisfaction and in turn happiness. Friends, we have to look beyond this COVID for first time in our life that we have experienced this expanded lockdown due to corona pandemic. Live, love and laugh. Keep faith, drop the fear and handle the present and with confidence but with utmost care. Let us keep in mind our journey to Atmanirbhar Bharat as rightly said by our Honorable Prime Minister. From Almighty God and my late parents. Now, I request Past President Aslam to run through our presentation to showcase our continuing and the new projects. Let me take you through the community service projects we have planned during Vision Year 2020-21. 2021. As you may be aware, our club has the distinction of several permanent projects which are continued year after year. These are some of our continuing projects of our club. Next. We are running a school for hearing handicapped impaired children since almost 45 years. It's a brainchild of our past president, Rotarian Ramesh Oza. He has been tirelessly managing this institution since its inception, truly a jewel in the crown of Bombay West. Next. Our medical center within the Rotary Service Center is very popular amongst the neighborhood community. Over 20,000 people are provided with medical assistance and medical center which offers a wide range of services. Next. In association with our Rotary DG Goenka Blood Bank, which is situated at BSS Hospital, Andheri, we conduct several blood donation camps. Lately, we have added thalassemia awareness and detection among young children of colleges for early detection and counseling. Another flagship project of our club, wherein we offer interest-free loans to needy meritorious students pursuing job-oriented courses, started in 1994. So far, the club has dispersed over 1.35 crore as loan scholarships. This is a skill development program we are offering at 3 schools in suburbs, benefiting over 500 students year after year. A very successful program which is changing the lives of thousands of underprivileged children. Next. This is yet another prestigious permanent project. Every year, we are distributing cash awards to toppers of SSC board exams, aggregating approximately 10 lakhs to over 300 students of Mumbai and Palghar district, along with merit certificates. This is an annual lecture series by thought leader in honor of our exemplary leadership of past RI President Kalyan Banerjee. Started in 2012, we have had some luminaries to give this oration, like Padma Vibhushan Raghunath Mashelkar, Dr. Deepak Jain, Zainul Bhai, and various other Rotary International President-elect Shekhar Mehta was last year the speaker. A new project started in Smart Year. We have already collected 48 corneas from the deceased donors and made available for transplant, giving vision to several vision impaired people. We also plan to add capabilities to harvest skin of the deceased donors with Rotary Skin Bank at Airoli. Next. A project started in 2018. A lecture is organized on the first Sunday of each month for the benefit of Mumbaikars and office bearers of housing cooperative societies of various rules and regulations and issues affecting them. Next. These are some of our another permanent projects: Peace Scholarships, Mahila Madad Yojana, Vocational Excellence Awards, and Raila Ripend for Youth Development. My friends in the medical fraternity, my medical centers and primary health centers in rural area, which have many facilities. Next. We are sponsoring cochlear implant surgeries and extension of Shruti School project and apart from Shruti School, also cochlear implant surgeries are done. This year we plan to do more than 15 cochlear implant surgery at the cost of over 1 crore of rupees. We shall be applying for global grant for this project. Next. We also plan to take up sponsor over 50, almost 50 to 100 pediatric heart surgery and save lives of children born with congenital heart problems. Next. With Vileparle Medical Club Public Health Trust, where I am the chairman of the trust board, we plan to do oxygen service and sick bed service. The service, which is permanently run 24/7, is having more than 450 oxygen cylinders, more than around 8 to 10,000 sick bed articles like Fowler's bed, wheelchairs, crutches and all. So with the Medical Club of Vileparle, we plan to continue this service and help them run this service well. Next. Like the monthly lecture series on layman and housing laws, we shall commence another lecture series on health awareness with objectives of providing information, providing healthcare facilities and the systems to our members and community at large. Next. In the past, we have successfully conducted various de-addiction treatment workshops for general practitioners. We shall restart this program this year. We shall also conduct de-addiction awareness camps at schools and colleges. My wife, Dr. Bhavna Patel, had been very active and she had organized various such camps in past. Next. In the past couple of years, we have done excellent work in building toilets and wash stations at rural schools in Palghar district, benefiting 50,000 students, teachers and families. We shall continue these efforts, for which we already have a global grant in place. This year also, we are trying to do in more schools this hand wash project stations and toilet facilities. Next. As an extension of our rural school projects, we plan to convert the same schools. We are planning to convert more than 41 schools in rural area in Palghar district to happy schools. This project also we are planning with a global grant. Next. With support of our honorary Rotarian Mayank Gandhi ji, rural support program, we are planning to do, like he has done in Global Parley, spearheading crusade, nation building throughout rural revival empowerment scheme. His work in Bid district, Maharashtra, has transformed a cluster of villages beyond imagination. We plan to take this his help and replicate the experience at several villages in Palghar district. Next. In the miracle year, our club sets up a Palghar training center. We plan to organize agri-based vocational courses for farmers as this training center located at Kosbad in Palghar district. Brainchild of our Uch service leader, we plan to set up an entrepreneur cell to assist Rotaractors and youngsters for conceptualizing startups and becoming successful entrepreneurs. Next. Finally, we shall be working hand in hand with the district teams and participating in several district-led projects. Now, thank you. Over to our MOC, Usha.
That was superb, President Manoj. And we are sure with the blessings of your forefathers and well-wishers and supporters, you will have a very, very successful Rotary year as President. I take this opportunity to just welcome and acknowledge a few luminaries here. PDG Kalpana and PDG Prabhat Kedia from Assam, PDG Carol King from USA, PRID and past trustee Ashok Mahajan, PDG Praful Sharma, PDG Lata, Jairaj Thakkar sir, PDG Rahul Timbadia. Thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you so very much. I now request President Manoj to introduce Assistant Governor KK Chaudhary to us, whom we are blessed to have as a guiding star in this Rotary Vision year. Manoj, over to you.
Thank you. Adding to this list, I'll add Shri Madhusudanji Agarwal, also who is present. He is on Rotary. Now, I would have a pleasure in introducing our loved Krishna Kumar Chaudhary, our Assistant Governor. Our dynamic Assistant Governor, Rotarian Krishna Kumar Chaudhary, is a rank holder chartered accountant, having stood third in all India level. He practiced till 1987, when he promoted an IT company, when IT was an infancy state. Today, RP Tech India is a multi-billion company distributing top branded IT products pan-India with 1,000+ workforce. The company also has international offices. Krishna Kumar ji is president of Technology Distribution Association of India. He and his company have received several accolades and awards. He is also engaged in philanthropic activities and CSR initiatives. He joined Rotary in 2005. He was a president during 2014-15 and thereafter served various clubs and district assignments. During his presidency, his club retained 100% members, added 31 new members, became 100% PHF and ARI club, sponsored 2 new clubs, Mumbai Western Elite and Mumbai JVPD, thus added total of 188 new members to Rotary and awarded 10 trophies and certificates. He has been conferred Best Rotarian Award twice and Avenues of Service citation from Rotary International. He is also a new club advisor of Rotary Club of Mumbai Jewels. Large district events like DTA 2015, DISCON 2017, Prefest 2017, and Prepets 2019, hosted under his leadership, are rare examples of his leadership quality. He is a member of Rotary Club of Mumbai Royals. Spouse Meena is a charter member of Rotary Club of Mumbai Divas, and both are major donors. Please join your hands to welcome AG KK Chaudhary, KKG to us. Welcome, KKG. Thank you.
Thanks, President Dr. Manoj, for kind words for me. Congratulations and best wishes to all of you on this Rotary New Year, and to all doctors and chartered accountants on this National Doctors Day and CA's Day. So what a combination. Dr. Manoj Patel is being installed on National Doctors Day. There can't be a good celebration other than this. Immediate past President Sampati Patel, I have seen your work and I welcome you to the Past Presidents Club. Congratulations to you and your team for a wonderful smart year. And you have done relentless services to the community even during this pandemic situation. You are an exemplary Rotarian and truly symbolize Rotary motto, service above self. Thank you so much and keep continuing. Visionary President Dr. Manoj, spouse Dr. Bhavna, and the entire team of West, welcome aboard to this visionary, impactful and powerful year under the strong leadership of our visionary DG Sunil Mehra. We call him Sardar of Govindas.
Oh.
The world is under threat due to COVID-19 and everyone is looking for a basic support, and that is from a doctor, possible from a doctor, and thus your selection as a president of Bombay West is apt and at right time. Dr. Manoj treats his patients, you know, I have come to know, you please endorse, you treat your patient not only by prescription of medicines, but also cure them with doses of humor. I am interacting with Dr. Patel since last 8 to 10 months and have witnessed his talent during the PETS, pre-PETS, DTA, DOP, and many other such seminars. And I'm confident that you will your leadership, under your leadership, the club will touch a new height and will go a notch further. I'm impressed with your visionary approach and the projects what you have just narrated and you have planned during 2021. I quote Ted Kennedy, "The work goes on, the causes endures, the hope still lives, and the dreams shall never die." Dr. Manoj, keep your dreams alive with all others and fulfill them in our vision year. My best wishes are with you. Friends,
Thank you.
I have given a much pleasant task to introduce my friend, Rotarian District Governor. Today, he is assumed the office of District Governor, Rotarian Sunil Mehra. Can we play AV, please? थी गिरे और संभलते रहे, आंधियों में क्या दम था, चिराग हवा में भी जलते रहे. So please welcome Sunil Mehra.
Thank you, KKG. Thank you so much. Kind as always and friendly as always. We have shared a nice little. KKG, आवाज किसकी थी on the so-called introduction? आवाज किसकी थी? In the introduction किसकी आवाज थी? So because I want to know, because I think it was Shilpi's, and there was one line which I want to specifically mention here. She mentioned he is happily married to Shilpi, so I'm okay.
वो एवी में आवाज मेरी नींद मेरी वाइफ की थी.
Senior PDG and AKS Sajjan Goenka ji, PRID Ashok Mahajan ji, District Mentor PDG Bansi, District Trainer Shashi ji, DGE Rajendra, you take the spot of DGE from today. DGN Sandeep, you take the spot of DGN today. PDG Dr. Madhukar, I think I definitely saw him. Dr. Bal, PDG Rahul, PDG Lata, PDG Praful. I think there are some PDGs from out of India. I didn't catch the names, apologies. And a special mention of my friend too from Germany, PDG Christine, who was our training leader at the International Assembly. Presidential batchmate, I remember him, late Sukhdev Puri ji. I saw Urmil ji, we miss him. Urmil ji, we miss him. SPART President Samapti Patel, Visionary President Dr. Manoj and spouse Dr. Bhavna, happy Doctor's Day to you. Children, son Apurva and daughter-in-law Meghna, and of course your lovely grandkids, I'm sure you dote on them, Arav and Kian. Incoming Club Secretary Hima and spouse Jayesh. President-elect for 21-22 Gautam Chandle. Family members of Dr. Manoj and Samapti, Pranam. District Chief Coordinator Dr. Manish Motwani, Governance Principal 8 Dilip Mulle and Rajinder Unni. Shilpi, my partner and full-fledged support system. Also, she likes to be called for this year, Officer in Special Duty. District Secretary of this club, Hemang Jangla. Assistant Governor, of course, KK Chaudhary, and Assistant Trainer Prakash Patel. Core team members and district officers, fellow Rotarians of Rotary Club of Bombay West, Inner Wheel, Rotractors, Interactors, Senior Citizens 2, and RCC 2, and guests. Fellow Visionary Presidents, congratulations, you are now in the seat from today. Welcome to all of you for this installation 32 of the Visionary Year. But before I start, I must have a special mention of your Rotarian, Mohan Joshi. He has been part of the district training team and has actually helped in formatting all the trainings you all have gone through. And he's been a great, great asset. Thank you, Mohan. Thank you so much. Dear Samapti, for the outgoing president in the beginning of June, suddenly you may have realized June has come and it suddenly hits us, it's time for a change in the leadership and the zeal sharpens. The thrust turns from canter to gallop. Then we tend to realize that under 30 days to go, what have I not done so far that I had planned? What can I still do to add to what I have so far done? Why? This happened to me, and I'm sure Samapti, it happened to you. But why does this happen? Because doing service gives you inner joy. And it's like reaching the goal post with the ball controlled by you, and you score even if your team is well ahead. And that inner satisfaction for having led from the front and executed brilliant community service gets into your bloodstream. And doing that little bit more in the last 25, 30 days matters. You have touched every avenue of service and gone that extra mile to execute projects. Sometimes you have even gone beyond your expectation during this current scenario to serve the community. I know this because I was part of the team led by now IPDG Harjeet with regards to grain distribution. And I do know the kind of enthusiasm you worked with. So meaningful projects got done in 2019-20. To highlight a few projects of yours, your charter night went virtually. I remember being called for a grocery, distribution clothes, plastic bottles, no use of plastic bottles, your solar, your toilets, your road tractors, all of them. They have just been brilliant. So the club has done some amazing work with you leading it and achieved tremendous success. Your zeal and the unstinted efforts have been visible. Samapti and team 2019-20, take a bow, well done. Visionary President Dr. Manoj. And what happens to the incoming president? Maybe you went through a certain amount of uncertainty before you took on the mantle. Whilst you were contemplating the same, the question must have been asked, could have been more meaningful at that particular time. Thereafter, you must have had a number of conversations and discussions on your roles and your responsibilities, your imaginative limitations. Have I planned this right? Is my PPT correct? Is it correct protocol? Have I tied up all loose ends? Have I left out any fact? I want to optimize use of this opportunity. I don't want to leave any stone unturned. I want, carries on. But I am sure, Manoj, now that you have made up your mind, you will go full throttle. At the stroke of midnight, the term concludes of the outgoing. He or she graduates to the next level of service, maybe at the district level. At the stroke of midnight, world over, the leadership changes. The incoming occupies the hot seat. But you know, Dr. Manoj, the team that scores early, or then first, manages to put the pressure on the opposition. The team that starts early takes a huge pressure off themselves. Imagine a cricket match to be 80 for no loss in the first 4 overs. Imagine being 3-0 in the first 20 minutes of a football match. It's a constant challenge. When times get difficult, you think of giving up and you contemplate stepping out of the shoes you are in to escape responsibility. But it is in these troubled waters that leaders rise to lead differently and stand tall amongst the crowd. Remember, in comfort zones, all can perform, but being exemplary in the face of adversities is what leaders are made of. You've highlighted so many projects. I mean, it's a huge, huge plethora of things. I really want to sit down with you and have that conversation on your sense of humor. I really love it. Your agri-based products, your entrepreneurship products, which aligns with our district projects also. Hearing impaired school, Virani Medical College, DG Goenka Blood Bank, job-oriented loans, 135 crores distributed so far, Bhavishyayan, Patel Excellence Awards, leadership lecture, Rotary eye donation, skin donation, you've gone on and on and on, cochlear implants, 50 to 100 pediatric surgeries, wheelchairs, de-addiction, WASH, of course, Rajendra Rui is also there, happy schools, rural development. What have you not aligned with? Great work. You know, there should be now no looking back. And you go into the depth of each project and analyze how you can scale them up. Visionary President Dr. Manoj. Now you have to get into the playground. Give it what you got. Time, talent, or your leadership. Consider only what you have and not how much you have. And take the risk of trying to do what you want to do. Remember, it's always appropriate to be the lion when in your role and responsibility. The lion is not the smartest, the wolves are. The lion is not the tallest, the giraffes are. The lion is not the heaviest, the rhino is. The lion is not the largest, the elephant is. The lion is not the fastest, the cheetah is. But when the lion roars, the world listens. So let your roar to the outside world bring out the Rotarian that lies embedded in you. Come out stronger, a fighter, a winner, victorious and a visionary. This visionary year, beyond the ordinary work is being expected from this extremely mature club. You are 68 years or 67th president, 67th president, which is twice the number, nearly thrice the number of years that our club is. Speaking of Rotary public image, emphasis in the forthcoming year. Tell the world what Rotary does. Tell them how we helped eradicate polio from the world, except now 2 countries. Tell them how we have spent billions of dollars of eradication of polio. Tell them about the emphasis of our target on India to want to see India literate by 2025. Tell them about our desire and to eradicate hunger and control malnutrition. You never know when you will touch the emotional chord of someone. Use the social media handles, all of them, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. Get all your Rotractors and Interactors, you've got so many clubs, to also retweet your work, generate awareness. The other core concern of Rotary is the growth of members, which has stagnated at 1.2 million. And this is one of the challenges we Rotarians of District 3141 are going to help achieve and change that number. Invite, share, ensure you spread the work you do with non-Rotarians. Use any social media means and spread the good work your club does. Touch the emotion, things will happen. Dr. Manoj, and many of you could be connected with corporate organizations. Promote them to create in-house Rotary clubs. Yes, corporate clubs, you can do that now. There's a huge opportunity. Huge complexes have surged around you. Make gated community clubs, cause-based clubs, clubs of all kinds. You know, if you identify an area without a club, 18 new club advisors are there who will help you do the interest meetings and probably convert them into membership. For your information, one club has come in today for charter. That the application is already gone, 1st of July. One club has started today. If you have any area, seek support, but grow internally or then externally, because remember, each club you add also contributes to your membership growth. Youth, your club is very strong on that. However, Rotary International has created the platform where Rotractors are now a recognized entity. Dual membership has been permitted for them. You can actually identify if the children can afford it, try and create a separate dual membership Rotary Club. I throw that challenge to you. Dr. Manoj, I'm sure you made investments in your children. Now it's time to invest in our Rotractors. They are the future of our fraternity. Give them job opportunities in our organizations. Like you have already talked about entrepreneurship, there is a Rotarian whose vocation is about helping young entrepreneurs set up startups till the angel investor level. As of this morning, the template will be ready by next week for our Rotractors. If we can add value to them and their lives, they will realize the importance of Rotary. Sooner or later, they will join and then support the Rotary movement. The district mobile application is already launched. It's going to be a concise one for all. Put up your events, share in advance your fundraisers, upload your projects and man-hours for district citations, share your GML, a chat platform for creating groups, ask for co-hosting, join projects, enlist your business, share data by your choice. And I first thank you for the GML, which has just reached me at home. And of course the gift, Aslam, but you know, it's sad, you should not send gifts. Thank you any which way. However, for that application, you need to be registered on rotary.org. And that the DS, the AG and AT will help you complete, though of course you have great stalwarts in your club anyways. With the use of technology, the visionary team have converted an adversity into an opportunity. This could quite be the new way going forward. Convention, virtual. Maybe the International Assembly would be virtual. In just installations like the kind we are having right now in District 3141, we have saved approximately 3.5 crore rupees. How much work you can do with that? How much community service you can do with that? We will have that unique title of optimum use of technology for the purpose of Rotary. What is important, however, is this factor to look into the economic scenario. Addressing that issue, and I saw it on your presentation also, so I was glad to read it, the team came up with 2 new verticals, a team for promoting self-help groups and another for microcredit finance. Let me tell you, Dr. Manoj, there is one person I know which has 1,200 self-help groups or JLGs, joint liability groups. There is no work with them right now. And he says once the lockdown really clears out, probably he will be able to get 2,400 self-help groups which have no work. So if you can support them, either through the work you already do, or by outsourcing some part of your business, if you are a manufacturing company, in the current scenario, you will be doing human service to the NGOs and the economic upliftment of these SHGs. We shall, of course, in the same team, there are individuals who will enhance skill sets and support the team with quality trainings also. Like every governor, we have to go to the International Assembly, and Christine was my training leader there. So in January, Shilpi and myself went to the International Assembly. Extremely great experience. Really, we saw the internationality of Rotary for the first time. And then our Rotary leader now, not incoming anymore, leader now, Holger Kanak, declared the theme as Rotary opens opportunities. Profound statement at that time. March end, we got hit by the current scenario. It was so predictive. I mean, so futuristic, not predictive, so futuristic. President Dr. Manoj, have you shared the e-version of the district directive with the entire club? Manoj, have you shared the e-version of the district directive with the entire club?
Yes, we have shared.
Entire club?
Yeah, entire club.
Great. Some new innovative projects have been planned where participating is so simple to do without it pinching your pockets. So all projects have been divided into 3 categories: visionary, impactful, and powerful. I request that the video of the projects be played, please. The district teams have started today, as of 1st of July, the Annapurna project. About 30,000 people are going to be fed today. And you know what? The inner wheel commitment is 52,831 till 4 o'clock this evening. The inner wheel is also participating in this particular project. Chetan Desai is, of course, leading the project. And we moved from a one-day project to a full-month project with a challenge of doing at least 1 million meals. You cannot imagine the joy we can get from serving others. This is a very emotional project. I remember what happened when we distributed this hands-on. Today, of course, we cannot do it hands-on for the current scenario. But when we distributed food and meals and hands-on, that emotion, that charge was totally different. I even remember in 2014 when we started this, Harjeet, who was of course then on the core team, mentioned to me nothing like serving individually. There was one individual who made 900 meals at home overnight with his mother and served it the next morning. Annapurna, the project. The cost of each meal, just 15 rupees. Every governor needs encouragement too. And what better way to express it like the way I just told you? The impact of the project, my friend, from a one-day project to a 30-day project. 2nd of July, we will do virtual bonding with the elderly with fun, educational and emotional connect. Clubs are also going to send rations. Blood donation on the 3rd. 19th of July, tree plantation, now being tried in 3 places instead of 1. But here's the big one. And this is what I really need this club to look into, think deeply, and probably execute. It's going to be the first distribution of food packets for 1-year protein for malnourished children, trying to save 300 children from getting malnourished or then dying. In our district, northeast of our district, Palghar, Vikramgarh, where Vikramgarh, Talasari, Mukhara, Jawahar is, 1,000 children die because of malnutrition per month. And just at a cost of roughly 5,000 rupees a year, you can actually save a child. Your own organ donation champion, Harminder, is going to start a promotion drive with the Doctors Association. Some huge fundraisers are being planned. Why? 2nd of August, a housing online for low-cost shelters. So important to do now with the migrant laborers and the loss of jobs, etc. 15th of August, an art and sculpture e-auction for malnourished children, the proceeds. But here's what I need to really touch upon, Dr. Manoj. CSR seminar on or before 30th of August. Why? Keep your grants ready, keep your projects ready, because at that particular seminar, you might get a CSR partner contributing. In August, of course, subject to permissions and safety norms, a medical checkup camp for all police stations, both dental and diabetes. A little caution here because we're currently under the scenario. Meetings with the BEST department, that's our transport department, has taken place to make at least 100 bus stops disabled friendly. 2 gardens, which are currently in Nana Nani parks, will be equipped with disabled friendly equipment where wheelchair and children can go into the slides and on the merry-go-round. Can you imagine a 24-year-old child on his wheelchair going onto the merry-go-round for the first time in his life, screaming with joy, but without a sound being heard, because that emotion could not come out. It was a tear-filling experience. Vocational training facilities for physically challenged is an area strongly going to be taken forward so that they can get gainful employment. Call up Eureka Forbes. The complaint is picked up by disabled children. Rotary Youth Exchange, which needed physical travel, is now being done virtually. 136 countries have expressed their interest. Rotary Friendship Exchange, vocational training tools, VTT, is also being experimented and possibly made virtually. Here's another one, eye checkup. We had this mission vision, which we will do 100,000 checkups and probably 10,000 eye and glaucoma, blindness and glaucoma treatments. Educational project initiatives, online job readiness for road tractors, non-curriculum based education for satellite schools, memory card chip based iPads where children can get education through just a 16 GB chip. A few changes we had to make in our global grants formula, which has just been released today. Because of the scenario, the entire format and the formula has of course changed. So I'm just declaring 1 or 2 points which need your attention. The global grant formula is as follows. DDF allocation for global grant against CSR global grant shall get 15% DDF. But however, club contribution, if given addition to CSR, will get DDF of 25% on club. It was earlier 20. To so-called enable you to do better grants, we will increase that to 25. Regular global grants, only with club contributions, shall get DDF of 25% instead of the earlier 25. So the policy has been released today, do study it correctly. A district-led global grant for about 35 to 40 check dams, maybe for $250,000 is in the pipeline. So you know what, Dr. Manoj? Things are happening. Like I say constantly, we are not going to get defeated. This situation doesn't bother us. It's an opportunity for us. We're actually going to conquer. So let's believe in the statement from virtually nothing to everything virtually. I've touched, have you shared Give Us Gain Rotary Angels with them, with your team? Have you shared the Give Us Gain Rotary Angels projects with them?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Aslam and Mohan, please take it forward with Dr. Manoj and please share these two projects. Simple ways to give to the foundation. Things you don't need at home, give them. A certain app will turn that around to amount, a value. That value will go to the foundation in your membership number towards annual fund. Rotary Angels, simple thing to do. I expect, you're about 130 members. I expect just one member a minimum to give me a minimum of 3,000 rupees per month. And we will see that those who come for 15, 20,000 donations for their medical or educational needs will be kind of done through that. I've already touched upon malnutrition. Visionary President, Dr. Manoj, you have assured to support the foundation by giving us $25,000. I think there's a zero missing something. Is it? You have AKS Sajjanji here. Anyway, in recognition of your commitment, I honor this club and you for the same and request on behalf of Foundation Avenue. I'm not sure who's here. Is Anup here? Anup Chandrana?
Yeah, he was there.
I think.
Yeah, I'm there, Sunil.
Can we have the foundation certificate, please? And Anup, just read it.
Can we have the certificate, please?
What's doing?
Right, that the same certificate, number 8.
The TRF certificate you just now displayed. Can you bring it up again? Number 8. Number 8. I can see it in the secret.
Double click on it. Number 8. Okay, great.
Yeah. Well, thank you. It's a proud pleasure of mine to present the certificate of commitment. It reads certificate of commitment. The certificate is proudly presented to President Dr. Manoj Patel of Rotary Club of Bombay West for committing $25,000 towards the Rotary Foundation for the Vision Rotary Year 2021 on this day of 1st July 2020, signed by Sunil Mehra, District Governor. All the best, Manoj, and I'm sure you will cross this way beyond 25,000. Thank you.
You know, Manoj, besides the USD 25,000 support, kindly do it through Give Us Gain. You cannot imagine how we can transform giving to the foundation through Give Us Gain. And honestly, Mohan and Aslam and other members, please help Manoj to spread the news in your club. I'm sure you can really contribute highly with that. Because if all clubs make this project a success, remember the world is looking at it. If you recall at the installation on Sunday, even Chief Guest K.R. Ravindran, past Rotary International President, mentioned it. And if it is successful, we visionaries would have the distinction of having given this gift to the foundation. Dr. Manoj, if you're really applying for a global grant like you mentioned in your presentation, I request you speed up that before the limited resources at our disposal get committed. The new policy, like I explained, has just been declared today. The district also believes in supporting you, but please get your grants in place. Your club has now 24 district officers in the visionary team, truly indicating the experience and commitment we attach to this club. There is Anand Gupta, Apurva Nanavati, Ashok Diora, Ashwin Shetty, Aslam Merchant, Chandramohan Sehgal, Dharmendra Sharma, Dr. Ashok Mehta, Dr. Himanshu Mehta, Dr. Usha, Gautam, Harminder Pateja, Hima Dalal, Krishna Kumar Agarwal, Krishna Kejriwal, Mohan Joshi, and of course in the core team PG, Sajjan Goenkaji, Rajinder Ruya, who's very, he's in 2 avenues actually, Robin Nath, Samapti Patel, Shefali Shah, Shirish Rege, Tejas Sura. Your assurance to grow members by 10 is appreciated. But I will request you to try and spread the word of Rotary, and maybe you could get a great deal of more people interested, like I mentioned in the thing. So do not forget to kind of do what we asked you to do. On behalf of the membership team, I request that you be presented. I'm not sure who's here. Membership certificate, I cannot see who's here.
Indumati is here. I just.
Okay. Indumati, please go forward.
Yes, can I read the membership certificate?
Is Balmohan here? Indumati?
Balmohan also, I thought I saw him.
I'm not able to see anybody.
I saw him sometime back, but.
He's there, Balmohan is there.
Then let Balmohan read out.
Please read the certificate. Balmohan?
Yeah, just unmute him. Yeah, Balmohan, you can unmute yourself now. Certificate. Hima certificate.
Double, yeah.
Can you see now?
Now
No.
double click, sir. Double click.
Hima on number 7, double click.
Yeah. Now?
No.
No, not yet. Double click.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
You did single click.
We are not seeing the double click. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Balmohan?
Balmohan ji.
Balmohan.
I think he's away.
Okay, so I'll just read it
Yeah,
out.
please go ahead. Yeah.
This certificate is proudly presented to President Dr. Manoj Patel, Rotary Club of Bombay West, for committing to add 10 plus new members and a 7% growth during Vision Rotary Year 2020-21, signed on today's date by Sunil Mehra, District Governor, 3141. I'm sure this is just a prelude, and you always overachieve and underpromise, Manoj. I know you from college days.
Thank you.
So you know each other. Am I muted? Okay.
Yes.
No.
In fact, Bhavna is a colleague of mine. She's also a pathologist.
Pathologist, yeah.
Okay, Dr. Manoj, don't forget your team, He-Man. This bond you share with them over the forthcoming will get embedded in your heart, and cherish it.
Sure.
And don't forget the district team, I mentioned their names, are here to support you, help enhance your projects. But all are your call me anytime friends. Don't forget that. I end with a few lines. Today, when we do donate something to someone, don't look into the eye of the recipient. Sit beside them, show compassion, because remember, every drop of water matters, either from the sky or then the eye of the individual. And now for our signature statement for the year. Together we will, together we shall make our vision come real. District 3141 and the core team wish you and the club a visionary, impactful, and powerful year 2021. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, DG Sunil, for sharing your visionary plans with us. Your vision of the need to be exemplary in adversity is very inspiring. I take this opportunity to just thank the presence of PDG Harish Bhatt from all the way from Kenya, PDG Ramesh WINS Agarwal from Delhi, PDG Ramesh Agarwal again from Jaipur, and one of my favorites and a woman of substance, IIW past president Dr. Pallavi Shah. A number of PTGs and other district dignitaries that have joined us on FB where we are streaming live now. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate your logging in. A president of a distinguished club like Bombay West can only have a fantastic year if he has a team that works in tandem with him. And he can delegate responsibilities, knowing that every board member will execute their role to more than perfection. President Manoj has a fantastic team with him, and I now invite him to introduce to us the vision board members of our club. Over to you, Manoj.
Yeah, Manoj, go ahead.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, DG Sunil, for the wonderful address to our members. You motivate us and
Connection बराबर नहीं इसका.
encourage us. Our geometry need not be a hurdle for us. Serve those who need our help and keep doing good work. It is now my pleasure to introduce the visionary team of the club, the members of the board of directors for Rotary year 2020-21 of Rotary Club of Bombay West. This is me with my beloved wife, Dr. Bhavna. She's my pillar of strength. Next. Our immediate past president, Samapti Patel, fresh from her successful stint in the club in rather difficult time, will be asset to the team. She has already assured her complete support to the visionary board. Next. President-elect Gautam Chande will double up as director for Club Service 1, which includes membership development and retention. An ace tennis player, I'm sure he has several aces up his sleeves to face the challenges of membership growth and achieve the commitment made to the district governor few minutes ago. Next. Vice President Dharmendra Sharma will also look after Club Service 2, which includes public image function. Dharmendra is a professor, but not absent-minded. He has proven his commitment to the cause of Rotary by reaching to this level in the club in a short span of just less than 3 years after joining the club. Next. Our club's secretary for the vision year, Hima Dalal. What can I say about her? Ever smiling, meticulous, responsible. I can go on and on. She has taken the onerous responsibility as secretary for the second time. She was a club secretary in Rotary year 2013-14. Thank you, Hima, for accepting my request. The board looks forward to another fantastic year with you in the hot seats. Our Khajanchi, the money man, Sandeep Parekh, treasurer of the club, as well as the charitable trust. He keeps tight leash on the finances. Sandeep, we have seen your great work during last couple of years and are confident of your immense capabilities to transform our finances system to make it future ready. Next. The final Dr. Tushar Shah, strict disciplinarian, tough on those who break rules or protocols. Wish him at the Sergeant at Arms. I will be relaxed at every meeting, knowing fully well that Dr. Tushar will be there to take care of everything. Next. Apurva Nanavati, my good friend. I could not have got better person as a director than you as Community Service 1, which mainly handles literacy project. Apurva has an executive trustee of 2 major reputed schools in Vede Parle. He is also executive trustee of Nanavati Hospital. Next. The man with golden heart, our Vama Shah, Prashant Patel, will look after our medical project. Prashant Bhai, with medical professional as a president, you can look forward to a very busy and eventful year. So tighten your belt and be ready for takeoff. Next. Nilesh Sawant will be responsible for our rural project, a soft-spoken, silent worker, but capable of hitting 4s and 6s in his projects that when he takes up, just like he does in the cricket ground. Nilesh is a key player in our cricket team also, known for his batting skills. Next. Madam Rajul Doshi, what a commitment. She's one director that I know of who started her detailed plan vision and has had several meetings with her vocational service teams to ensure all she has thought of will be achieved before the year ends during 30th June 2021. Next. Apurva Gangar, our youth icon, former president of Rotary Club of Mitibai College, has been a super active Rotarian since the day he joined our club. In the very second year of joining, he has been nominated as a director of this prestigious club, which is no mean achievement. Needless to mention, Apurva will look after the youth service avenue. Next. A successful entrepreneur and a corporate executive, Nandivardhan Jain joined the Rotary year in 2016, was a club secretary in Smart Year. His marketing and communication skills, together with the corporate connections, will certainly help club in all avenues of service, including international. Avenue allocated to him. Nandivardhan, for the district teams, you are the man. Hope you have noted our TRF target for the vision year and are ready for the strategies. Next. And finally, our club trainer, past President Mohan Joshi. This is a perpetual trainer. This is a fourth term as club trainer. He is also an assistant trainer at the district level. More than a trainer, Mohan is an advisor and a good friend to the board. From today, he has an additional responsibility as a trustee of Rotary Service Public Charitable Trust. Next. I eagerly look forward to working with all of you and coming out winners, setting new benchmarks for Gautam, Dharmendra and presidents to follow. Thank you.
हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी रे।
Friends, I want to assure you all the district teams that I will do my best to exceed your expectations. This confidence is because it's always the team effort at Bombay West that has been root of the success in this great club.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Also, I shall be having abundant and invaluable support of my better half, Dr. Bhavna, during this exciting journey in Vision Year 2020-21. Now over to Usha.
Thank you, President Manoj. Thank you so much. The difference between success and failure is a great team. It is only with teamwork and cooperative efforts that any leader reaches the peak of his capabilities. President Manoj and the Board of Directors will surely work towards a common vision of social upliftment and service before self and take Bombay West to newer and greater heights. Today, we also have in our midst three very esteemed personalities who are to be inducted as honorary Rotarians for the Vision Year 2021. I now request President Manoj to do the honors and introduce these luminaries to us. Over to you.
We have amongst us visionary three honorary Rotarians for Vision Year 2021. Next. Mayank Gandhi, an activist. Next slide, please. Mayank Gandhi, an activist, wedded to the idea of better India, a statesman, and a deeply committed persona. Mayank Gandhi is a rare combination of a man who thinks on his feet while feeling with his heart. Mayank got involved in activism motivated by Shri Anna Hazare. He joined the team that launched India Against Corruption movement, which later morphed into Aam Aadmi Party, where he has a national executive. Soon, he realized that his inability to continue with politics without compromising his idealism and he quit politics completely. Since 2016, he is engaged in rural transformation through his project Global Parley, wherein he selected a cluster of 15 villages in mid district of Maharashtra and started working on water management, economic growth, health, education, and social reforms. In last 2 years have seen unprecedented success with increase of farmers' income by the factor of 10. He plans to replicate the model in other areas of the country. We are glad that he accepted our request to continue as honorary Rotarian for second consecutive year. We are sure he is associated with us in serving the community in rural areas of Algar district where we plan our rural projects. Next. Welcome, Mayank bhai. Shri Madhusudan Agarwal is a visionary and a co-founder of Ajanta Pharma, embarking with the singular objective to serve global healthcare needs through empathy, innovation, and technology. His vision has been to make an organization of repute and to fulfill the unmet medical need of the suffering poor. Shri Madhusudanji co-founded Samta Foundation, an NGO engaged in serving the less privileged in rural areas with focus on healthcare, education, and community development. Recognizing his work, he has been conferred with many awards by national and international agencies, various esteemed business and social service organizations in India and abroad. The government of Uganda has appointed him as an honorary consul of Uganda in Mumbai for Western India. His association with our club as honorary Rotarian with open opportunity for working together on our shared objectives. Welcome, Madhusudanji. Shri Jairaj Bhai Thakkar, a renowned industrialist, educationalist, and a philanthropist. Shri Jairaj Chatrabut Thakkar is a graduate in commerce from Narsingh Monji College of Commerce and Economics. He is a managing director of Golden Chemicals Private Limited, dealing in chromium chemicals. He is associated with large number of social work organizations. He is a managing trustee of Shri Narsingh Monji Educational Trust, which manages the Jamnabai Narsi School at Vileparle, and which offers Indian and international curriculum to over 4,900 students. He is also president of Dr. Balabai Nanavati Hospital, Vileparle, managing committee member of Rajasthan Sammelan, executive member of Vileparle Keloni Mandal, vice president of Unaided Schools Forum. Shri Jairaj Thakkar is associated with our club as a member for 3 decades until he resigned a couple of years ago for his personal reasons. We are delighted to have him back in our club, this time as honorary Rotarian. Jairaj Bhai and we go together from our school days, from our KG onwards. We have good family relations with his parents, and my parents were known. Welcome, Jairaj Bhai, as honorary Rotarian to the club. Thank you.
Thank you so much, President Manoj. Thank you very much. A warm welcome to Shri Jairaj Thakkar, Shri Mayank Gandhi, and Shri Madhusudan Agarwal to Bombay West. Bombay West has the tradition of culling out news about its activities and projects and keeping its members, as well as those inclined to social work, updated via its club bulletin, The Flying Carpet. I have the honor of being its editor in Vision Year and thank President Manoj for asking me to handle this important responsibility. Thank you, Manoj. I request DG Sunil to please officially release the Flying Carpet this evening. Our special installation issues out.
So, well, this was done a little, not just virtually, it was done physically too.
Yes, yes.
So I'm releasing. Can you all see it?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well done. Usha. Dr. Usha. Dr. Usha, I honestly request that you share this bulletin even on the application. I've explained the system to Aslam,
Sure.
that it can go to the entire 5,800 Rotarians across the district. I also take this opportunity to welcome Mayank Gandhi ji, Madhusudan Agarwal ji, and Jairaj Thakkar ji to the Rotary fraternity back again, and we look at you for value add to our entire fraternity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, DG. Thank you so much for your kind release of our club bulletin that we are very, very proud of. Thank you so much for doing that for us. I now request DS Hemang Jangla to please.
So welcome, Dr. Bharat. And I also saw PDG, Dr. Jayant. So welcome again.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Hemang ji. Thank you very much. The First Lady, Dr. Bhavna Patel, has a special message for all of us, and I now invite her to share her address on the Zoom gathering. This is a first of a kind for you, ma'am, and for us too. Welcome.
Thank you, Usha. Hello, friends. A very good evening to you all. I wish the President, Dr. Manoj Patel, Secretary Vima Dalal, and the entire team all the very best with grand success and spectacular achievements in all their endeavors. Wish you continue the chain of Rotary with full dedication, loving care, and come out with bright colors. Dear members of Rotary Club of Bombay West and my fellow Rotarians, we seek your wholehearted support during this year. I believe that an active participation.
आपका साथ है दिल का साहिल, आपका प्यार है दिल की मंजिल, आप सभी रहे रोटरी के हर प्रोजेक्ट में शामिल, हमें जरूरतमंदों का आशीर्वाद करना है हासिल।
मांग के साथ तुम्हारा मैंने मांग लिया संसार, मांग के साथ तुम्हारा।
Aslam, kindly unmute Dr. Bharat. He has to leave, so he needs.
Hello, Mommy and Papa. We hope we could have been there for this installation ceremony. But oh well, we are all getting used to this new normal, isn't it? Hello, Papa. As President Eisenhower once said, sense of humor is part of the art of leadership, of getting along with people, of getting things done. During this pandemic, as people deal with unprecedented challenges, I'm sure you can use humor as a tool to look at the situation in a positive way. I congratulate you and wish you a happy and rewarding year.
Hi everyone, you must be wondering why Papa greets with good morning at all times of the day. Well, today you have the answer.
A good morning creates a good mood. A good mood creates a good work.
A good work creates a good day.
A good day makes you happy, and your happiness makes me happy.
We wish Dada congratulations
and best wishes for the upcoming year.
Bye!
Wow, that was amazing. Bharat ji, you'd like to please speak a few words?
Sure. President Dr. Manoj Patel, IPP, Samapti, past governors, I can't see many people, but I could see Bansi there and Jayant there and Sajjan Goenka from this club, Rotary family of Bombay West, and of course, the visionary governor, the man who's taken charge of one of the prestigious districts of our zones, 3141, Sunil Mehra. Friends, it's a pleasure for me to be here, jumping in for about 5-7 minutes from another installation which is still going on. Sunil, I was able to sneak out from there because my speech is going to start after about 15 minutes. So I said, let me sneak out, come in and sneak back there again actually.
Thank you.
So I know, you know, friends, Dr. Manoj Patel will agree with me that this COVID crisis has taught us one very important lesson. And that important lesson is that our most important asset, the most precious thing for any human being is good health. If health is good, everything else can happen. If health is not good, nothing can happen. And the health of Rotary is, of course, the health of our Rotarians. But more importantly, the health of Rotary is the health of Rotary districts. And most importantly, the health of Rotary is the health of its Rotary clubs. And Sunil, you will agree with me that the health of Rotary Club of Bombay West is in the pink of health. Thanks to all the great work done by all the past leaders from 1954 onwards, and I am not going to name all of them, but all of those, including the past governors from the club. And I remember very closely having worked with C.P. Rao and of course Sajjan Goenka. And all the past presidents, there are so many good friends, my co-president, Dr. Tushar Shah, and so many, let me not name all of them. It is those people who have laid a strong foundation, including IPP Samapti Patel. So Dr. Manoj, this is a foundation on which you have to build on a new edifice of service, to your club and service to your community. I compliment Samapti for providing very good leadership. You know, there is a saying Swami Vivekananda always used to say that a society can never progress unless women are given an equal role in society. A bird can never fly on one wing. This year, I am sure Dr. Manoj and all of you will agree that Samapti has been both the wings of Bombay West. And she has used both the wings and made the club fly higher and higher. So Samapti, congratulations for that. And I know, well, I don't want to say that I know Dr. Manoj Patel very well, because that would not be the truth, but I have heard of you from Dr. Tushar Shah. And let me say, at the risk of sounding little presumptuous, that I know that doctors always make good presidents. Having been a president myself way back in 93, 94, and then governor, and now the director, I know they are dedicated and they are committed. And I know that you will lead Bombay West with vision and mission, friends.
Thank you.
So my best wishes to Dr. Manoj Patel. And if the last video which I saw, such an innovative family which is there, I am sure that you will bring your own brand of innovation and dedication to Bombay West. So my best wishes to you. Remember, friends, to all my friends in Bombay West, a room may be dark for two reasons. Either the sun is not shining or the windows are dirty. We can't do anything about the sun. We can't turn on and off the sun. But we can definitely clean the windows so that more light comes in and the room becomes brighter. That is the opportunity that you and I have to clean the windows and let more light into our clubs and in our community, so that our club becomes a better club and our community becomes a better community, friends. You know, somebody once said that things get better when enough people decide that they should get better. Things change when ordinary people come together for a common purpose. You and I, friends, I always consider that Rotarians are ordinary people who do extraordinary deeds. We are here for that common purpose, to make our clubs better Rotary clubs, our districts better districts, ourselves better Rotarians, so that together we can make the community a better place to live in. You have a visionary leader, Dr. Manoj, in District Governor Sunil Mehra, who's going to be always available to you as a friend, philosopher and guide. Under his leadership, I'm sure that you are going to take Bombay West to the next level. Thank you so much for having me here. Have a great year of leadership and service in 2021. All the best to you and your team at Bombay West. Thank you very much, friends.
Thank you, Bharat.
Thank you.
Dr. Bharat, thank you so much. It's been inspiring to hear a person who speaks unscripted and so, beautifully. Thank you so much for speaking to us today. And I have to go, Dr. Manoj, I come back to you. I love the zest.
I have to jump out. Sorry, ma'am. I have to jump back again to that other meeting.
Thank you for being with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you very much. And I was to call you, but today was so busy, Sunil. Sorry to take this time. So Sunil, congratulations for taking over this leadership of this prestigious district. And when I say prestigious district, having been now a director for 1 year, I can say with all certainty that this is a prestigious district. This is a big, no, I'm not saying big burden. This is a heavy responsibility that you have taken upon your shoulder. But knowing you, I'm sure that you will discharge it to the best of your abilities and take our district to the next level. All the best, Sunil.
Thank you so much.
Shilpi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Manoj, that audiovisual was awesome. Your grandchildren have a zest for life just like you, and it's so lovely to see that. With such a supportive spouse and a loving and supportive family and awesome grandchildren, I'm sure you will be a shining star president and visionary, Dr. Manoj. Before we step into Secretary's announcements, I would like to acknowledge the immense contributions of past Secretary Nandivardhan Jain, who has been an exemplary secretary for the club in the year 1920. Nandivardhan, thank you so much. I now request my dear friend and one of the best secretaries any president could ask for or dream of, Hema, to make Secretary's announcements. This is the second time for Hema as club secretary, and hats off to you, ma'am, to come forward and take on this taxing responsibility for a second time. Over to you, Hema.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks, my dear friend Usha, for your kind words. Our program committee chair, past President Ashok Devra, has lined up whole July month with interesting meetings. On 8th July, we have Swami Gnan Vatsalji on Heal Your Mind post-Corona. On 15th July, we have a renowned Vastu Shastra specialist, Rashesh Shah, who will speak on health and Vastu. On 22nd July, we have our own Rotarian Gaurang Mehta on audiovisual on cochlear implant. On 29th July, we have a fun-filled musical fellowship program with great singer Mukesh Parmar. So friends, please book your calendar with all forthcoming events, and don't forget, next week we have a very eminent speaker, Swami Gnan Vatsalji, on Heal Your Mind post-Corona. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hema. I acknowledge the presence of PDG Jayant Kulkarni. Thank you for joining us, sir. We would like to extend our sincere apologies for any oversights and acknowledgements this evening of invited Rotarians and guests. Do please pardon us for any oversights made. And I request the dashing President-elect Gautam Chande, who is going to take on the President's baton next year, to give the vote of thanks for this amazing evening. Over to you, Gautam.
What a great evening that was. Superb presentations, superb speeches. I would like to thank our chief guest, DG Sunil Mehra, Officer on Special Duty, First Lady of District Rotary, and Shilpi Mehra for accepting our invitation, gracing this important occasion and guiding us to take this club to the next level. Your idea of taking this opportunity and this situation that we are in and using it as an opportunity to take the club to the next level, turning a crisis into an opportunity, is indeed fantastic and something that all of us must learn from. Sunilji, we will need your support and continuing guidance and of your core team to make the vision year a memorable one. I would like to thank the RI Director and Treasurer, PDG Dr. Bharat, for his lovely speech. I will always remember his talk about cleaning the windows and letting the sun in. I think that's true for all of us. We also need to let a little bit of our sunshine go out too. I would also like to thank past RI Trustee, PDG Ashok, for gracing this occasion. In this star-studded evening, I would like to thank the galaxy of past district governors, District Governor-elect Rotarian Rajendra Agrawal, District Governor nominee Rotarian Sandeep Agarwala, past President of International Inner Wheel Dr. Pallavi Tushar Shah, District Dignitaries, District Secretary Hemang Jangla, Assistant Trainer Prakash Patel, and Assistant Governor KK Chaudhary, the President of Inner Wheel of Bombay West, Mrs. Kavita Ji, District Dignitaries, PDGs of other districts for gracing this occasion. Your presence means a lot to us. We are grateful to co-presidents of Dr. Manoj Patel, the presidents of Rotaract clubs, presidents of Interact clubs, honorary Rotarians, principal of Kadian Shruti School, Srimati Vasvi Dave, Dr. Yogini Patel, in charge of Rotary Goenka Blood Bank, for gracing this occasion. We would also like to thank Dr. Manoj Patel's friends and family members for attending this event in large numbers. A special thank you to son Apurva Patel, daughter-in-law Meghna, and cute grandchildren for their lovely messages from the USA. It was indeed touching. Last but not the least, I would like to thank members and aunts of Rotary Club of Bombay West, members of Inner Wheel Club of Bombay West, visiting Rotarians, and invited guests for their presence and applause, without which this event would not have been complete. I would also like to bring out the hard work put in by the installation team, led by the President himself, supported by First Lady Bhavna, or should I say led by First Lady Bhavna, supported by the President, Sergeant at Arms Dr. Tushar, Club Trainer Mohan Joshi, Club Secretary Hima Dalal. A special mention of the fabulous creative presentations made by Assistant Governor Aslam Merchant. Last but not the least, how can I forget the charming Master of Ceremony, Usha Jayachandran, for having done an excellent job. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy Rotary, and in the words of Dr. Manoj Patel's kids, and something for all of us to know, good morning to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gautam. Thanks a ton. President Manoj, before I request you to adjourn the meeting, I would like to say that may this vision year be one where you say, खोल दे पंख मेरे कहता है परिंदा, अभी और उड़ान बाकी है, जमीन नहीं है सिर्फ मंजिल मेरी, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है. We look forward to a very successful and service-oriented Rotary